English conversations. Getting to know someone.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well too. What's your name?
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. And you?
I'm John. It's a pleasure to meet you, Sarah.
Likewise, John. So where are you from?
I'm from New York. How about you?
I'm from California. It's a beautiful place.
Yes, I've heard California is amazing. What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at a local school. How about you?
I work in IT. I'm a computer programmer.
That sounds interesting. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and going hiking. How about you, Sarah?
I love cooking and trying out new recipes. Also, I like going to the beach.
That's great. Maybe we can go hiking together sometime and you can cook us a delicious meal afterward.
That sounds like a fantastic plan, John. I'd love that.
Me too, Sarah. Well, it was nice chatting with you.
You too, John. Have a wonderful day.
You as well. Goodbye.
Please like this video and subscribe for more English lessons. Thanks for watching.